In the spirit of doing things in order, the first thing we're going to focus on is handling your tools. Now, this may seem like a very basic thing, but actually it's very easy to not hold the suturing tools properly and then kind of set yourself up for difficult times later on as a result. The two things that we're going to focus on first and foremost are probably the tools that you're going to be using the most. Number one, your forceps, and these are called Addison forceps, and they have this sawtooth pattern here where there's two on one side and then one prong on the other side, and you want to hold it like a pencil here, exactly as I have it like this. And the important thing is that you're mostly going to be dealing with this in your offhand. I'm right-handed, so I'm going to use my left hand to hold it. And this is really going to be very, very important in kind of picking up your needle, exposing things, setting up the skin for how you want to throw your sutures. So it's very, very important that you do hold it in this orientation and you just get comfortable picking it up off the ground, well, not the ground rather, but off, let's say, the operating surface, and getting it into the orientation that you want. Now again, this is something that's pretty commonly overlooked and seems like a basic thing, but you also want to be very mindful of which side has the two prongs and which side has the one prong. And we'll see why a little bit later on, but really it's because as you're loading your needle, you can kind of fit the needle in between those two prongs on one side, and it makes it really, really easy to get a grip. But if you were to try to hold the needle regular like this, it really would be a lot more difficult. So we just kind of want to keep that in mind, that we hold it in our offhand, although you do probably want to get comfortable holding it in both hands, because there may be instances where you kind of want to switch. But holding it like a pencil, and then always being mindful of which side the two prongs are on.